Welcome back to the HomeKit life. I'm Josh, got my cameraman Brayden here. No, just kidding, he's not here today, but I did want to get this video out quickly, so today we're talking about the AirTags. Let's get it unboxed. All right, now that we've gotten it unboxed, they're so small. I mean, they're a little, I don't know, thick, but I like it. I like it a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and, we got a pack of 4. You may have seen, we did a short yesterday, just kind of like doing a quick setup on one. Let's get this peeled off. And when you pull this out, it activates the battery. You get that little sound there. It's so satisfying, I don't know. And then just bring it close to your phone. It should pick up through NFC setup.
2 very boring minutes later.
There, we bring it near. Okay, so, well, that's how you do it if you can't get it to come up on the NFC. We'll say connect. This one's for keys. I'll set it up for me. And there we go, done. Makes a little sound there too when it gets done. Oh, there's an identify found item. That's kind of cool. So we can tell it to play a sound. Oh, that's not too bad. And then we can also do the find, right? So it's like, oh, we're like 4 feet away. Signal's weak. Try moving in a different direction. There, it's picked it up. We're somewhere nearby. And then as I get closer, it like vibrates and then it says we're here. That's kind of cool. I like it. Yeah, so we were not able to get any keychain holders. We'll probably pick those up later, but man, I'm so impressed with this. Like, it's so easy to set up, so well done. Okay, so one of the things that I also heard today on Twitter was that from HomeKit Geek, he's got a YouTube channel as well, is that you can use these as NFC tags to create automations. So if we go in here and do a new automation, say NFC tag, I always find if you start at the Apple and kind of scan upwards, that seems to trigger the NFC scan. And so we'll say car keys. We'll say okay, next. So the first thing you want to do is vibrate the device. That kind of lets you know that it picked up the tag and scanned it. And then the next thing I want to do is control the home. And we will find the garage door. Somewhere in here. Door. Next. We'll close it, next, right? So I'm in my car, scan this, it'll close my garage door. And then, well, I do use Overcast, so we'll go in here and just say play, and that should pick up whatever podcast I was on last. So I get in the car, scan the tag, should close the garage, fire up a podcast for me. Just say next, say done. There we go. So now when I just swipe up here, you can see it detected it. Oh, that's interesting. It wants to open a website. That's kind of fun. We'll have to test it out more, but I think this is a super versatile little device, and the price is phenomenal for what you're getting out of this, right? Like it's an always attached NFC tag, which is kind of cool. It has the U1 chip in it, so you can, or it works with the U1 chip, so we can like find it directionally. I do think, did we test this out? We did test it when we set it up, and it looked like maybe 4 feet, but Apple kind of implied maybe from 20 feet away you could find your device. It does say you're 8 feet away. And then it looks like within a couple feet it picks it up. Looks like once it gets a signal, it can directionally tell where it is. This is pretty cool. yeah, for me, this is like an A+. I would highly recommend, if you haven't already, picking one up. You know, we've already activated and used the one. We did a short for my wife's wallet. We set one up and put it in there, and we've already used it once, and it's been less than 24 hours. So very handy. And I see this kind of being not a huge game changer, but like small improvement to your life. So if you are looking for something, I would definitely advise picking one up. We have a link in the description below. If you use that link, it is an affiliate link, and we do get a little bit of that money you spend to help support the channel. So that would be super helpful. If you haven't already and you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified as we put out more of these types of videos, hit that bell. We'll be back next week talking about the Lutron Cassetta dimmer switch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.